we did a live coilover installation on Neogen's FK8 Civic Type-R.
Ang daming clients na natuwa.
And we're here today at the last day of the Manila Auto Salon 2024 with Neogen Performance.
The experience is kakaiba. First time namin mag-join, full feeling. Target lang namin is mapasaya namin yung mga community. Yung highlight namin is the live build. We installed the KW V3 clubsport sa shop car namin.
Believe merong nag-live wrap, live body kit installation. So why not do a live suspension install?
Even our race cars, our shop cars, equipped with ST and KW and tested personally. That's how we do it in Neogen.
The V3 Club Sport is a mix of street and track. Neogen wants to use the car on the streets. He can, hindi siya matagtag. And there's also a setting for track use. If he wants to go to Clark or BRC, kaya din ng suspension.
So yung maganda sa kanya is height adjustable siya, tapos damping adjustable. Hindi daily lang ako. So i-set ko sa soft. Tapos kung magta-track na, pwede ni stiff konti.
From dito, hassle-free ka because of the after-sales experience, window cleaning, and then ST suspension. So, wala ka naisipin pa.
Even the service they gave me is exceptional. Kaya that's why I'm sticking with them.
There's this tagline of KW wherein it's the perfect suspension for every demand. From street, if you want a street-oriented suspension, we have it. If you want a casual street and track day suspension, we have it as well. And if you want a hardcore full-on track build suspension, basically the perfect suspension for every demand. That's KW.